Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we embark on a journey to transform this humble brick house into a masterpiece of creativity and imagination. Today we are going to breathe new life into the old brick house. Let's unleash our creativity and turn this canvas into a vibrant work of art. With each brushstroke, Rosie adds layer of color and personality to the house, infusing it with energy and charm. Artistic vision takes shape as I transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, using the house as I canvas and imagination as guide. And there we have it, my friends, a brick house no more but a masterpiece of creativity and expression. With delicate precision, Rosie adds final flourishes, turning each stroke into a story, each color into a melody of emotions. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the newly adorned house, Rosie's creation stands as a testament to the transformative power of art. Join me next time for more artistic adventures by Rosie. Until then, keep creating. Thank you very much.